Hi there, my name is Jacob Norris, and I'm a 3D environment artist working in games and films. I'm here to talk to you a little bit about NVIDIA Omniverse. So let's first go over what exactly is Omniverse. For those of you unfamiliar with it, Omniverse is an entire suite of different tools for you to use. It's not just one piece of software. Omniverse helps you connect different apps together basically. You can collaborate with large teams and work with USD file types, or the Universal Scene Descriptor format, which we'll go into more later, and help you to create visually stunning computer graphics, simulations, and entirely new worlds. Let's take a look at exactly what all those fancy words mean to you as an artist. So let's break down what are some of the different apps available to you within Omniverse. We can use Omniverse Create, and Create is available to stage scenes for environments, characters, and animations, basically to allow you to make beautiful renders in the software, final images, videos, cinematics, whatever you'd like. There's also Omniverse Machinima, which can help you put together cinematics in no time. There's some videos up on the NVIDIA website for that, going over just exactly how you can use some of that software for Machinima, and a really cool example of putting together a short cinematic in about an hour or so. There's also Audio to Face, which is an AI facial animation tool that helps you convert simple sound clips into awesome animations for your characters' faces. It tries to take things into consideration like the emotion or the inflection that people are using to say the words, even what I'm saying right now, or a beautifully crafted script that you're going to be using for your cinematic, and converts it all into animation that's used directly on the character's face and just does all the work for you. It's really cool. Besides some of the apps you can use, there's still more even than that, but those are some good examples I wanted to talk about. There's a lot of connectors as well that can help you live link programs together. So you can live link Omniverse with programs like Maya, 3ds Max, Unreal Engine, Blender, and more directly into Omniverse. It helps you to work faster and more efficiently by linking all of your favorite software together in real time. So what this means exactly is if you were to connect something like Blender with Omniverse, you can actually work on your model and see it update in Omniverse as you're creating it and working on it. So this way you don't have to open your entire scene. You can just open up a single model that you want to make edits to and see the results of it happening inside of Omniverse, inside of the scene, all in real time. No more dealing with exporting the model from whatever engine or rendering software you're using, importing them into your software to edit them, make updates, re-export it, etc., until you get it back in and set up the way you want. You can actually see the changes within the scene, all within this USD file format. And we'll talk more about USD in the next video, since it's definitely a really interesting scene file that can be used and helps in so many ways. I don't want to give too much away because there's going to be a lot to talk about in that. So let's hold off on that for the next video. But I would say the best way to really understand the true power of what Omniverse can offer you is just go download it. Go check it out. You can grab the launcher right off the NVIDIA website, grab any of the apps I was mentioning, or any of the other ones that look interesting to you. Open them up, try them out, and there's even some example scenes provided to you in the developer's resources page, as well as a few other places on the NVIDIA Omniverse website. Hopefully we were able to answer some of the questions for you about what Omniverse is, and that we'll be able to answer even more in the next videos and get you excited about this amazing suite of tools at your disposal. Thanks for watching.